VA Property and Casualty Practice Exam. Welcome to the quiz. Which commercial auto coverage form covers any auto the insured owns, hires, borrows, or leases? Is it A, Symbol 1, any auto? Or B, Symbol 2, owned autos only? C, Symbol 7, specifically scheduled autos? Or D, Symbol 9, hired autos only? The answer is A. Commercial auto policies use symbols and declarations to define which autos get liability coverage. Symbol 1 is the broadest. Any auto covering owned, hired, non-owned, borrowed, leased, etc., with few restrictions. Symbol 2 limits to owned only. Symbol 7 to scheduled autos. Symbol 9 to hired only. Symbol 1 provides maximum flexibility for broad auto exposures. Next question. In workers' compensation, what does experience modification mod factor do? Is it A, adjusts an employer's premium based on its loss history compared to other similar employers? Or B, modifies the benefits an employee receives? C, adjusts for the experience level of the workforce? Or D, modifies the policy terms based on experience? The answer is A. The experience modification mod factor compares an employer's actual workers' comp claims history, frequency, and severity over recent years to the expected loss rate for similar businesses of the same size and class. A mod above 1.00 increases premium, poor experience. Below 1.00 decreases it, good experience. It rewards safety and penalizes high losses. It does not change benefits. Not workforce experience level. Not policy terms. Experience mod tailors premium to actual loss performance. Next question. What does the duty to defend clause in a liability policy require the insurer to do? Is it A, defend the insured in a covered lawsuit, even if the allegations are groundless? Or B, defend the insured in criminal proceedings? C, provide a defense only after a judgment is made? Or D, defend the insured's family members? The answer is A. Liability policies promise not just to pay covered damages, but also to defend against lawsuits seeking those damages. The duty to defend is broad if the suit's allegations potentially fall within coverage. Even if weak, false, or groundless, the insurer must hire lawyers and pay defense costs until it's clear no coverage applies. This protects the insured from legal expenses and questionable or meritless claims. Criminal cases are usually not covered. Civil liability focus. Defense isn't delayed until judgment. Family defense depends on who is insured. The clause ensures defense for potentially covered claims regardless of ultimate outcome. Next question. What does the care, custody, or control exclusion in a liability policy aim to do? Is it A, exclude coverage for damage to property owned by or in the care of the insured? Or B, exclude coverage for injuries to persons in the insured's custody? C, provide coverage for controlled substances? Or D, exclude coverage for auto accidents? The answer is A. Liability policies, CGL, auto, are meant for third-party claims, not first-party damage to the insured's own property or property they control. The care, custody, or control CCC exclusion removes coverage when the insured damages property they own, rent, occupy, have loaned, or are otherwise responsible for caring for, e.g., a contractor damages a client's building they're working on. This prevents turning liability insurance into property coverage for items under the insured's control. It does not exclude injuries to people in custody. Controlled substances unrelated. Auto accidents have their own CCC-like exclusions for owned autos. The exclusion keeps liability focused on third-party property, not the insured's controlled items. Next question. What does the other insurance clause in a policy address? Is it A, how the policy coordinates with other valid and collectible insurance covering the same loss? Or B, insurance from other companies that is not valid. C, a requirement to have other insurance. Or D, a discount for having other insurance. The answer is A. When multiple policies could cover the same loss, other insurance clause determines order/share, primary pays first, excess after, or pro rata share. Prevents double recovery. Not invalid insurance, requirement, or discount. It coordinates multiple coverages fairly. Next question. What does proximate cause mean in insurance claims? Is it A, the dominant, efficient cause of a loss that sets in motion an unbroken chain of events leading to the loss? Or B, the cause that happened last in time? C, the cause that is easiest to prove? Or D, the cause listed first on the claim form? The answer is A. When deciding if a loss is covered, insurers and courts look for the proximate cause, the primary, efficient, or dominant cause that sets off a continuous, unbroken sequence of events directly leading to the damage. It is not necessarily the last event, immediate or direct cause, but the one without which the loss would not have happened. For example, if wind, covered, blows a tree onto a house, wind is the proximate cause even if falling debris is the final contact. Last in time ignores the initiating force. Ease of proof or claim form order are irrelevant. Proximate cause determines the true origin of the loss for coverage purposes. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us how many you scored out of 6 in the comments, and let me know what topic I should post next. Bye.